Hey guys, I just made this amazing chocolate cake and today I'm going to show you how to make it. Preheat your oven to 180 Celsius. Be careful because it will get hot. In a large bowl, add 50 grams cocoa powder, 6 tablespoons of boiling water and mix until smooth. Add 100 grams of soft butter and mix until smooth. Add your remaining ingredients, which are 275 grams of caster sugar, 3 large eggs, and 125 milliliters of milk, and 175 grams of self-rising flour, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then mix or get your little brother to do it. Pour into the tin, then spread evenly and bake in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. While your cake is baking, make your icing. Add 100 milliliters of double cream and 200 grams of milk chocolate to the pan and heat. Stir until smooth. When the cake is firm to touch and shrinking away from the sides of the tin, take it out of the oven and leave to cool for 10 minutes. Pour the icing over the cake and spread it out to cover the whole cake. Final step is to cut the cake and enjoy. If you want to make the cake, all the ingredients are in the description. Now it's time for some B-roll. Remember to subscribe and have a great day.